Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making Chrome and your account ready. First, sign into the Google account tied to your channel. This ensures Studio shows your channel data. Once signed in, open Chrome and check settings about Chrome to install any updates so Studio runs smoothly. Make sure cookies and pop-ups for YouTube, Com are allowed. Without them, you might be blocked from certain Studio features. Now you're ready to navigate directly to Studio and proceed with the initial access step. You open YouTube in Chrome and click your profile icon at the top right to reach Studio quickly. Once you select YouTube Studio from the drop-down, Chrome will load the dashboard where Analytics, Content, and Settings live. This can take a few seconds depending on your connection. If you manage multiple channels, use Switch Account before selecting Studio so the correct channel loads. Also, when prompted, allow camera and microphone permissions if you plan to record or stream directly from Studio. Otherwise, you can skip those prompts. Finish by verifying the Studio dashboard displays the Content, Analytics, and Settings left-hand menu so you can manage uploads and channel features. If Studio won't load or elements are missing, clear Chrome's cache and cookies or open an incognito window to rule out extensions. This often resolves conflicts. If sign-in fails, make sure two-step verification settings and account recovery info are correct so you can regain access. If problems continue, restart Chrome and repeat the steps to ensure a clean session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.